Greetings, everyone. My name is MAP Izukubundo 1. And in this video, I want you to relax. This video is mostly for those who are not IPOB members and those who are IPOB members, but they don't know the activities that have been happening or that are going on the ground in IPOB. I know a lot of people have been asking questions. Why can't IPOB unite themselves? Why can't we speak with one voice? Why can't us coordinate ourselves? Let me tell you the reasons. Like you all know me, I have never one day come to this platform to say things without giving you the evidence. That is one of my integrity. If they play, if they show. Now, the reason it look like there is a division or that IPOB is divided is because we have two sets of people. One set is working for the freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and for the restoration of Biafra, while the other people are serving Nigeria government, trying to destabilize and destroy IPOB. And in this video, you will understand everything I said. I will not say it without giving you evidence. In my previous video, I made a statement and I said that there is a woman that have been contracted, and her purpose, the main assignment that was given to her is to make sure that they draw your mind out and make sure that they destroy your confidence on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, so that when you lose your faith and your trust on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you start having doubt. And remember, the moment you started doubting anyone, you will withdraw your support. You will start withdrawing your support, and before you know it, you start developing hatred, and you start losing interest in the activities of that very person. And if care is not taken, you will just boom, attack the person. Everything the person does will be irritating you. You will be seeing only negative things on it. And Lolo Nneka Chimezia's assignment is that she will use her platform to draw your mind out of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, so that they will take Mazi Nnamdi Kanu out. Now, I want you to relax. I am not here to gaslight you or to just tell you a word without any evidence. There is a video I will play you in this place, which is a video evidence of everything I have been saying. After you watch this video, you will now come to in conclusion that everything MAP Izukubundo 1 is telling you is nothing but the truth, pure fact. Let us watch the video. Then after you watch it, I will come here to break it down more and more. Watch this video so that you will see the reason why it look like there is a division or we are fighting ourselves. Watch this video. I believe you know this.
Make and Nnamdi Kanu agaghị nọ na nga change leadership IPOB. Do you know why? Nnamdi Kanu federal government ka ọ chọrọ ịnapụta Biafra. Federal government agbawo ya aka. Nide wekwe n'ime. Do you literally believe na Nnamdi Kanu okwu ọbụla ọ na-ekwu out of his free will? That's one. Two.
Can you compare Nnamdi Kanu with Chike Dozem? You can't. You can't. You man compare him, if not for the fact Keloke man achikota mu family. Yes, you will borrow your leader. How? Keloke man achikota mu family. You don't have respect for your children. You don't have respect for your wife. You don't have respect for. How can you be a leader? You don't know this. At least these people will not be violent. These people are a bulebe. Highest of Edoziem Asisi Gotapa with Igo Menania, Belo Chukwokeke. He will not be because Edoziem Jalako, Nandiajao. And people don't know. People don't know. Nandiajao. Because oh, you come, ji kete kuru mmiri ka mam ka asekwe oja ho Chike doesn't understand international politics understand into esi eme ife onye mabale ọ bụrụ na iti bọlịbọ bai na ọ ya nọkwa on radio na-agbọ ka nkịta ka Nnamdị ezi gbuo nke eji onye isi ya pọtọkwa ife ome mgbe ejidere onye isi ha a na-asị ezi ime ọsị ha take it easy. No, we are not going to fight. We are going to follow it logically to each final conclusion. Akwụkwọ onye jere akwụkwọ ọ bụrụ ị na-afụ oyibo ya you know how English. It's no money because you're alright. Then it's no. In front of even if for cheap he will code it. Or say, no, we wait for you in the Bepo God. Educate like in a very educative manner, very sound, very rectified, very like Madu Jalapo. Nka unu je bolu nwoke bake na ataka otu mmanụ abịlọta na ataka gịnị kpọta ọbịa na-etuso ọnụ mmeje Abuja echi mmeji si Buhari na toluo mgbe ndị amị bịa ọgbafere onye na-eto mmeje Abuja echi ihe eji si Buhari bịa ndị amị bịa iri pụọ ọsọ a na-ekwu ka a na-ekwu fiam gbafe Afrịka fiam gbafe Asia fiam gbagido ebe ịgwarụ n'ọda nkịtị mgbe m na Israel onye nu ya eji Abuja echi and all these fools who are following you still be going around extraordinary rendition only now no while also there's no extraordinary rendition anyway mama I don't have time if any mebo or any day no be to say the truth.
Thank you. Now you watch that video. That is the so-called Chibuze Guatu, the spokesperson of Chike Doziem Kekoda, Abanyum, Tony Nzurumike, and the Wanda Zayoba, and the rest of them. Now, you that is not an IPOB member, you that is a coordinator in IPOB, or you that is an IPOB, but you don't know the activities, have you seen the reasons why they are telling you we are shifting the struggle from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? In every movement around the world, in every freedom fighting movement, the leader leads from anywhere he is. That is why Nelson Mandela was in prison for 27 years. Yet he was in prison writing letter, leading the movement. They did not overthrow Nelson Mandela. And they never shifted the struggle out from Nelson Mandela, because the Nelson Mandela is the point of contact for everything they are doing. So your leader who is in the hands of the captivity or the enemy, who is in the captivity, who is in the hands of the enemy, is a point of contact that you that claim to be a follower of your leader should be writing in regard and the order of your leader. You cannot shift from it. That is why when you check the like of Martin King Luther Jr., Malcolm X, and the rest of them, even in Africa here, you see them, Patrice Lumumba and the rest of them, you see that these people, nobody have shifted. The moment you shift from that very point of contact, that very leader, the movement will collapse. And that is why everything will be built and will be built around the leader. Because the person who will fail and the movement will fail is the leader. That is why when you check any movement, the leader failed. They never get a result on that thing, because the moment the leader failed, they have crumbled. Yes, you might think you are powerful because the leader is around, but the moment that person who was ordained and called for you to support failed, you become incapacitated. So they know, and Nigeria government are aware that the moment you remove Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or you shift Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from IPOB will crumble, will be on a free fall alone, will just go die pata. That is why they are trying, projecting Chike Doziem, who only make appearance of the movement 2 times or 3 times in a year, on the New Year Day on March 30th, and maybe one of occasion they invite him to speak. Only 3 times. It's not more than. Go and check his destiny. Nobody knows him. Nobody sees him. Now, Chibuzo Egwuatu is projecting Chike Edoziem. Remember, Chibuzo Egwuatu is no longer an IPOB member. He hates Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They are now talking down on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in order for Chike Edoziem to rise. Now, remember, these people hate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Chibuzo Egwuatu. The second person is Lolo Nneka Chimeze. She is not in IPOB. She knows nothing about IPOB. And she is telling you that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu cannot be in DSS to change any leadership. Forgetting that Chike Edoziem, Chinasa Nworu, and these so-called members of DOS were all appointed by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was in Kuje prison? She forgot this. Now, you now see the reason all the attack and hatred is coming directly to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because they know in every movement, for that movement to crumble, for that movement to fail, break the leader, take the leader out of the movement will fall. You are not, nobody is building any institution. Their mission there is to remove Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and crumble IPOB. And I am sending this message to all you coordinators in IPOB who are foolish enough to forget that your command and control start from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that the person you need to obey is the command of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That any person who failed to carry out that command of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that you should not obey the person, rather you should uphold your oath, which says that you are to obey the leader of IPOB and the director of Radio Biafra, which is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, not DOS, not Chike Edoziem or Chinasa Nworu. And you think you have not violated the oath by disobeying the order of your supreme leader, and you are following those who are working to destroy him. I am telling you to repent now before it will be too late. I don't want to say much. I remember my humble self, MAP, Ezioku Bundu. But I believe you have known those who are causing division, who are fighting to divide IPOB in this video. You know the truth now. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu remained the only leader of IPOB, and he commands wherever he is. What you need to do is to discharge your duty if you love Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, not to chase power like all these hungry power mongers like Chike Edoziem and Chinasa Nworu. They have recruited Lolo Nneka Chimeze, Chibuzo Egwuatu, and Keshi also. Very soon, you will see Ijele speak, telling you Chike Edoziem should lead IPOB. Imagine the kind of people that is campaigning for Chike Edoziem to take the mantle of leadership from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Look at them. These people have been bought over. Their incompetency is overwhelming. Nevertheless, expect change of leadership from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, soon to be announced, and we stand gidigba. No retreat, no surrender. The struggle cannot be shifted from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is IPOB. IPOB is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and we stand with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. All must hear Biafra. For you to know who is saying the truth, go to their comment section. Those irats and those supporting Chike Edoziem, they can never come with anything intelligent in conversation. The only thing you will see here is abuse. We are used to that. That is their trademark of crime.